By 1869, Mandleev had been trying to find a pattern to the elements for a decade. Whatever order he and the world's chemists tried to impose, there were still elements that wouldn't fit. A universal theory seemed out of reach. But now Mandleev hit on a new idea. He made up a pack of cards and wrote an element and its atomic weight on each one. Strange though this might sound, so began the most memorable card game in the history of science. He called it chemical solitaire and began laying out the cards just to see whether there was a pattern, whether it all fitted together. Now, previously, chemists had grouped the elements in one of two ways, either by their properties, like those that react very strongly with water, or by grouping them by their atomic weight, which is what Berzelius and Cannizzaro had done. Mendeleev's great genius was to combine those two methods together. The odds were stacked against him. Little more than half the elements we now know about had been discovered. So he was playing with an incomplete deck of cards. He stayed up for 3 days and 3 nights without any sleep, just thinking solidly about the problem. Then on the 17th of February, with a snowstorm raging outside, he decided to stay at home. He was exhausted, and he finally dozed off. The story goes he had an extraordinary dream. He saw almost all of the 63 known elements arrayed in a grand table which related them together. It was an incredible breakthrough. I can imagine Mandleev feeling like so many other scientific pioneers. It's that determination, even desperation to crack a puzzle, and then that eureka moment of revelation. Mandleev had revealed a deep truth about the nature of our world, that there is a numerical pattern underlying the structure of matter. This is the periodic table as we know it today, and it's rooted in Mendeleev's discovery. It decodes and makes sense of the building blocks of the whole world. Now, although it's so familiar to us, it's on the wall of every chemistry lab in every school in the world. If you really look at it, it's actually awe-inspiring. What's so remarkable is that it reveals the relationships between each and every element in order. Mandleev had brilliantly combined elements' atomic weights and properties into one universal understanding of all the elements.